Hey everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Tuesday, the 10th of September 2019, and this is the daily analysis for Euro, Pound, and the Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at the Euro first. This is the daily chart, and yesterday it did continue higher and retested the monthly pivot at the 110.67.68 level before pulling back to just below the 38 Fibonacci retracement level, and there could be some consolidation today as it narrows into a tight trading range, maybe 30-40 pip range with support from the weekly pivot at 110.12. Take a look at the forward chart. It also has interim support from the 55 period EMA right in the middle of this potential range of about 50 pips, and we'll see whether there's any further volatility today for the euro. Let's take a look at the cable. Yesterday was a strong bullish continuation move yesterday as well from the support zone into the next resistance zone, the spike through the upper channel trend line and into this resistance zone that I highlighted on Sunday. Pull back since then to the 62 Fib retracement area. And let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So it found support early on in the afternoon from the 200 period EMA and climbed and drove all the way up over 140 pips to hit a high 123.85 for pulling back, and that was already by probably by 7 o'clock last night. And there's a 1 hour time frame. Yes, by the close of 7 p.m. It started to move from just at the started to bounce from the 3 p.m., 4, 5, and then 6 to 7 p.m. close. So very bullish move for 3 hours. So for today, the UK Parliament has already been suspended and will only resume 14 October. And Boris Johnson has lost another vote last night for general election and did not get his majority. So the only news today is on the unemployment report coming out later this afternoon. So we'll see whether it's able to break out any higher, but unlikely, and it's probably going to trade within this range within the channel, and likely support from both the 200 and the 55 period EMAs. Okay, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Likewise, yesterday it has also climbed higher above the 55 EMA, and we'll see now whether this will be support for the Aussie dollar at the previous swing low at 0.6830 area. So it hit a high yesterday of let's find this here, 0.6876 before pulling back and it's still finding some support at the 55 EMA. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, there could be some retracement, but there should be support from the 50% fib area. As at the 100% fib area, which was the swing low. So within this range of about 30-40 pips. And there's no news as well for Australia this week. So we'll see later on whether it can drive up further to the 78.6 fib retracement level. Okay. So there will be a lot of consolidation for today and perhaps tomorrow until the ECB meets on Thursday night, and we'll see what that price action is going to be like. We'll follow up on Thursday for the next analysis. Meanwhile, have a good trading week and cheers.